Understanding Greywater Systems, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an environmentally friendly topic that's gaining popularity worldwide: Greywater Systems. This is a term you might hear in discussions about sustainability and eco-friendly living. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and why it's important. First, let's break down the term greywater. Grey refers to the color, which suggests that this water is not fresh but also not heavily polluted. Greywater is the wastewater that comes from domestic activities such as laundry, dishwashing, and bathing. It's important to note that greywater does not include water from toilets. That's called black water. Now, let's talk about greywater systems. These systems are designed to reuse greywater for purposes other than drinking. For example, this recycled water can be used for irrigation or flushing toilets. There are two types of greywater systems. 1. Simple systems, which do not require much treatment and can be used for watering plants. 2. Complex systems, which treat greywater more thoroughly to be used for more sensitive purposes. Why should we care about greywater systems? Here are some key benefits. Conserving fresh water. By reusing greywater, we reduce the demand for fresh water. Protecting the environment. It decreases the amount of wastewater entering sewage systems, thereby reducing pollution. Saving money. Lowering water consumption can lead to reduced water bills. While greywater systems are beneficial, there are some considerations. Quality of greywater. The quality can vary and sometimes may contain contaminants. Legal and health regulations. Some areas have strict regulations about greywater use, particularly concerning health and safety. Maintenance. These systems require regular maintenance to function effectively and safely. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand greywater systems and their significance in our efforts towards a sustainable future. Remember, every small step towards eco-friendliness counts. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.